हाय मेट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो आज हम बनाएंगे प्रैक्टिस प्रॉब्लम नंबर 1.16 का मॉडल। All details are given here, as you can see. The unit, certification, duration, design intent, sketch feature, everything is given here, and all dimensions are also here. Okay, so let's continue making the model. Choose the top plane first and make the sketch. This dimension is given 60 mm and this one is 125 mm. Extrude का height है 15 mm. Right, और अब हम इस फेस पे आ जाएंगे। इस फेस पे आके हम स्केच बनाएंगे। और इन दोनों को कर देंगे ट्रिम। इसका रेडियस है 20 mm। बीच में कट भी है, इसका डाया दिया हुआ है 20 mm। Now the dimension of the circle from this edge is 50 mm and the circle from the bottom is 35 mm. 35 mm. Now this semicircle and this line both are tangent. Now extrude boss, and the thickness of boss is 40 mm, but on the other side, right, like this. So the modeling is done. We will cross verify the volume now. So the volume V cot is 157066 and the volume here is 157066. So we are done making the model, and the volume also matches